Hey, it's Coach Colin at Centerline Fitness and Martial Arts, here to show you the second part of the Rising Horse series for Kung Fu Strength. So here I am in my part one, floating tabletop. Part two, I'm gonna rock back like this. My knees can flare out, my heels stay up off the floor, and my head can be between my arms here as I stretch my hips back, and a little bit up. And then I rock forward, back to the floating tabletop from part one. So I'm gonna rock back, knees go out, heels stay up. Should feel a stretch in my hips, maybe in my lower back. And then I rock forward to the starting position. Check in with your spine, dial in those checkpoints for that floating tabletop before you rock back again. Keep your breathing relaxed. Rocking frog, and back to the starting position. So that is part two of the Rising Horse series.